Hello guys, my name is Sarah Karika Tabo. Today I'm doing the
Future career.
future career and then I want to be a police officer because police officer go to the house when someone is on danger and he bring bad guys to the jail.
How
And
about firefighter?
and firefighter can spray the house when there are fire. When they ring the bell, they go to the this and then they go to the fire truck and then save somebody who get trouble.
How about doctor?
Doctor is called he who just check the people when they sick or they are injured or they're hurt, or they're sick or anything. They will check our kidneys and then they this on our heart and they will check on our eyes like this and then doctor it is called they will give like the lollipop after he check up. Thank you guys. Bye.